Hey guys, it's Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. I'm here to continue the How to Start a Print on Demand series. If you have been tuning into my challenge for the past couple of months, you've seen me create different series each month. So the next couple of months, we do have a few more videos in the How to Start a Print on Demand series. And I wanted to make sure that I provided an extra resource to you guys. So if you click down in the description box, you will get a free print on demand checklist. That's right, it is absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything for it. Make sure you click the link in my description box, put a 0 in the box where it asks for price. If you would like to leave a tip, I love $5 tips. So go ahead and put a 5 in that box and then you go ahead and check out, okay? Also, I added more links in the description box for more freebies that you can grab that's on my Gumroad. And if you just want to grab a different course, remember you can always check out my Gumroad courses at www.gumroad.com/CinquantaCoxSmith. All right, so we are back with how to start a print on demand business. And today we are going to talk about Art of Wear. So I have done a review on Art of Wear and I really enjoy the quality of their notebooks. One of my favorite things to purchase for them. Also, I will leave the review video for Art of Wear in the description box so you guys can actually watch that video as well. I purchased leggings, or it was like shorts and I think it was a sports bar or something like that, but I purchased that from Autowear and a few notebooks so you guys can see that. But today we are going to go through the setup video, and depending on how long this video is, we may just go ahead and do the journal notebook and the t-shirt, okay? So this is Art of Wear. A lot of times when I say that, people are like, what? Art of what? What? And I'm like, where? Like, where are you? Not like what you wear. So people get confused about what the hell I'm talking about. But this is Art of Wear. So I've already gone over like some of the stuff that they provide in the review video, but you can look here and see every single thing that they have in their business. So we want to sign up for Autowear. So we're going to go ahead to sign up free. So like I said, most print on demand sites are free to set up a store, free to even just sign up. You never have to pay anything unless they have like a subscription or a service where you can upgrade, like Big Cartel. If you want more products and more pictures, you upgrade to like $9.99 a month. And then it's more, just like Shopify, they start at $14.99 a month. Most sites do that, but that's just to unlock more of the site. So it says, what do you want to do? So do you want to design stuff and buy products to do wholesale? Do you want to integrate this with Etsy, Shopify, WooCommerce, or do you want to create a store, like a storefront? So because this is print on demand, we are going to do a drop ship store, and it's just giving us a few reasons why we should love Autowear, okay? So I'm going to go ahead to drop ship. I'm going to go ahead and put in my email. Oh, I can sign in with Google. Listen, I don't know. I love that option. If I can sign in to Google, I'm doing it. So I'm signing in with Google. It says, Dear military spouse, thanks for signing up. You will receive an email confirmation shortly. So I need to go over to my email. All right, so I got my validation email and I'm going to click on that. So it says, please confirm your account, which most of these do. I'm going to hit confirm account. And guys, I am having some struggle internet issues. So if this video is loading slow or doing the most, I apologize. I apologize. So here, the next screen you get once you confirm your account, it says your email was confirmed. Dear military spouse, connect your store. I can connect to Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, Big Cartel, and Squarespace. So if you don't have an online store yet, when you go to do this, just hit the skip button. But I am going to go ahead and connect to my Etsy store for you guys. So far, super easy. Sign up through Gmail or writing in your email, validate it in your account, and then you are ready to go. So just like I've shown you guys a million times before, when you have to connect to your Etsy store, you always have to go in here and allow access. So allow these websites to talk to each other. So now it is logging into my Etsy store, which I had already logged into, and I have the dashboard ready up here, so it wouldn't have took long. So it says this application would like to connect with my account. Do you want to allow it? Yes, I do. So I'm going to hit allow access. So now we're going to go back to AutoWare products, and it says refreshing products. This page will automatically reload, etc. So here you see I have not added anything yet, but we want to go in to our settings. One of the first things we always want to look at before we even set up a product is basically our settings. So here it says, do you want to manually confirm your orders? So that means once an order is placed on your Etsy shop that is fulfilled by AutoWare, you will go in and manually push it through. If you want to automatically let it go through, you put the payment option here and the billing address there as well. So I'm just going to do a manually one. And it says you have a grace period of 12 hours to cancel an order, or you can automatically mark orders as shipped. Import orders with in-sync items, you can do that as well. And then you can remove the integration if you no longer want it. So I'm just going to hit save. All right, I am going to check out the shipping stuff because we may need to change some things in the shipping. But it's always kind of good to click through things so you can set up stuff that may need to be done. Okay, so this is just giving you an average range of how much shipping is for each thing. You can drop down the menus and check that out as well. And then we have, move myself out the way. I'm so cute. Oh, look at it, I made myself big. So you go to the Design Lab, Open Store Admin. Let me move. Just move, girl. So this is the, oh, it's taking me to my Etsy store admin. I thought it was taking me to the admin section in here. All right, so that is it. Well, this video is quick, but I'm going to leave that as the setup. So when you guys come back, we are going to definitely go over the product section and adding products to our Etsy store. So just stay tuned for that in the next video.
All right, guys, thanks so much for watching How to Start a Print on Demand series. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. If you have any questions, please leave it down in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer all of the questions that you guys post if I do have an answer for it. And remember, you can check out my podcast at Coins and Connections Podcast, bit.ly/Coins and Connection. It is available on all open podcast platforms, and you can check out our Instagram page at coinsandconnections.com. If you want to check me out on Facebook, it's just at Cinquanta, or on Instagram at Cinquanta Cox-Smith. All right, so as always, and until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.